So, I'm playing Murder Mystery with my cousin. Say what's up.
What's up?
Hey, and the round just started and we're just waiting for the next round. So, see you for a while. So, the round is about to start. We are gonna pick a map now.
Max 2 ah.
So, I'm gonna pick Biolab.
Why? Blocks. Blocks.
So, we are gonna start.
No. Ay, ano daw? 5K? Ha?
So, we are gonna play only 3 rounds and this is round 1.
Ba't rounds lang?
Because I want it to be a short video.
Yung video ko tumatagal to.
Hell na. Who'd the murderer? Ram ba 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 bam. Rop pa 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 pam. Oy, paano ka nakaakyat dyan?
Like this, wala?
Hey, yo. Hey. Nobody can kill us up here. Hey. Bala, bing chilling. Ay. I'm too scared. Ah! Upo na lang tayo dito. Ay!
Upo ako sa ulo mo. Upo ka.
Patayo nga sa ulo mo.
Murder.
Ay!
Sabi ko sa'yo.
So, guys, I died. So, oh my.
Sabi mo magdilib ako.
So, my cousin quit. So, I'm the only one playing.
Sabi mo,
My cousin rage quit.
mag-i-join ako, sabi mo.
My cousin just did something and he just joined and he left again. The hell just happening? What the hell is happening? So my cousin joined again and yippee! And my other friend joined named Emotional Dummy, which is my other cousin. So I wish I had Robux so my skin would be little. So I'm gonna pick Richard's facility. Hell na, hotel. And I now know why my cousin left. He changed his skin to a mosquito lo. This might be cheating because he's a...
tayo sa middle, may gagawa lang.
Nah, hell nah, you just gonna kill me. Yeah.
May gagawa lang ako, hindi mo naman. Ayan,
I'm hiding so you can't find me.
Not the murder.
Ah! You lied to me. So guys, my cousin lied to me, so I hate him. Just for now, I hate him. Just for now.
Namatay si ano?
Just for now, I hate him because
Nag-effort ako si Jane na pagawa.
He lied to me.
You guys. Si ano, si Ed.
Oh, he said.
Eh?
So my 3 cousins just joined me.
Eh, si Ed nandiyan.
Oo. Hey, they killed Michael.
Abo, ayun, nasa grade siya. Hyper.
Now we have 11 players and 3 of my friends joined.
Diba yung na-tapos na yung last round? Tapos tapos na yung video, tumaglalagay na yun. Ito naman tumaglalagay.
So this is gonna be the last round because the last 2 rounds was so quick. I mean so quick, guys. Bro just said the 2 man is using computer. Wow.
Eh, una, naman? At help mo na ako. I love the murder.
Who are the mother?
Not me. Kita
The one who won't tell gonna shoot them.
you're the sheriff.
Just open up. Just open up. Open up. Just please open up. Anuin mo? What happened to you?
Namatay ako.
Ha? Ba't namatay ka?
Alam ko sinamurder.
Kita ko agad.
Namatay na
So guys, I died as a sheriff. And I have bad memory. I have bad aim. I'm just bad at murder mystery. So that's it for this video. We are Bruh! Na
Kita mo
I
Kita mo doon. Kita mo doon.
na